Hello guys, welcome to the Bioinformatics Coach channel. I am very excited to share with you my upcoming videos for the month of July 2021. Before I proceed, let me chip in that you can find me on the various social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course you can find me on YouTube. The first group of videos will be on bioinformatics tools. So I show you how to install and use some of these bioinformatics tools in Linux. You get to know how to install Muscle, which is a tool used to perform sequence alignment. You also get to learn how to install FileMail and RackSML. FileMail and RackSML are tools that are used to estimate maximum likelihood phylogenies. I will also show you how to install and use Proca for genome annotation. In an earlier video I made on Proca, I showed you how to use it, but I did not include procedure for installation, and that is why I'm making this video to show you how to install it. You also get to know how to install Python packages using Anaconda. Then I show you how to build phylogenetic trees using Muscle and RackSML. Then you also get to know how to build phylogenetic trees using Muscle and FileMail. Because most of my tutorials runs on Linux, it's important you get to know how to install and run Linux in a Windows PC. And to help us do that, we will use VirtualBox software. This particular tutorial is very important, especially for those who have Windows PC and want to get access to Linux environments. It's also important because most of the bioinformatics tools run on Linux, and therefore you need to make sure you have Linux available to run and reproduce the tutorials. I will also give you some videos on how to explore bioinformatics data using Python. And one such video is how you can count features in multiple GenBank files. I also give you my first machine learning tutorial. We will look at how machine learning is used to predict malaria. And finally, you have some bioinformatics Python programming tutorials. Here I show you how to repeat and reuse sequence analysis codes using functions, and also how you can analyze multiple sequences and nucleotides using loops. I hope you get to enjoy all these cool videos that I'm going to show you, and therefore I will hope to see you in the sessions that will be coming up in July. Thanks for watching, and see you. Goodbye.